People are going to come up with just the most inventive tools that solve problems that we've had for a long time in completely novel ways.
Flow is a creative studio that creators can now customize based on their unique needs.
The whole goal is tools for creators by creators.
My name's Kat. I also go by the name The Poet Engineer.
I'm MetaPuppet, an AI film director.
My name's Chris Maestas. I've been an artist all my life.
The idea of tools in Flow is hyper-personal software. It's tailored exactly to your workflow. Flow Tool Builder uses Gemini behind the scenes to write code to create anything you want. The goal of this workshop was to get together with some awesome creators and build their own personal Flow tools.
I'm a VJ and I have a passion to make visuals for music I like. In this workshop, we created a VJ tool in Flow. I think it will be really fun to play around with for anyone who wants to try a clip of music they like and then create some really fun visuals reactive to that music.
When I came here, I was curious, what's the UI like? And I was told, well, what do you want it to be like? Could it be an infinite canvas? And it's like, yeah. Could it be nodes? Yeah, sure. Through Flow, we created a tool called Character for filmmakers that will ask you questions and inform you on why you're picking the look that you're picking. Let's say you have a picture of an old knight and you upload the image. It's gonna check your backstory and it's gonna check the image and it will help you match them up and align them.
What interests me is using new tools within my creative process and finding new ways on how I can expand my creative workflow. The tool that we created in this workshop within Flow allows you to upload a sketch that's typically very emotional. It simplifies that sketch while keeping the overall theme of what you're trying to execute, and it talks to the model to execute it.
So I'm not a coder. Being able to talk to an agent in natural language and have it build me the tool that I need is fascinating.
One thing that stood out to me most in this workshop is the combined power of using generative media alongside talking to a coding agent to transform that media in very fun ways.
What natural language prompting enables is empowering these creators to create tools they can build on their own without having that technical know-how or expertise, which then can supercharge their workflows and enable them to push boundaries.
This is personalization at a global scale.
It'll create this whole ecosystem of creativity that didn't exist before.
We're excited for you to see these tools and even start creating your own.